Take a ride in the 2008 Explorer Sport Trac. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.